Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. So, in order to fix it, first you gotta check whether your charging cable is properly connected to your device. Your light indicator should be glowing next to the charging cable. And once you make sure that the charging cable are connected properly to your device, press the power button and make sure that the light indicator on your power button starts glowing. If it's not happening, then maybe you should charge your device for a little bit more, or maybe there is a problem with your AC adapter. I really recommend using the original one, but if you're not using an original one, you can use a substitute like mine. Just make sure that it's from a reliable source, from a reputable distributor, and what's most important, that it provides at least 60 watts of power to your device. As you can see, mine does. So check your AC adapter specifications and make sure that it provides at least 60 watts of power to your laptop, because if it provides less than that, for example, if it provides only like 30 watts, then your laptop won't start charging, therefore will not start. And as you can see, my device just turned on, which means everything works properly, but maybe your laptop was exposed to an extremely hot or cold temperatures. If you know that it happened, or if you suspect that it did, then in such case leave your device to rest for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was that it was exposed to. And after that, only after that, plug in the charging cable and try to turn on your device and see if it works for you. Now, if it still doesn't help you, then in such case you can either contact Lenovo customer support service and probably send your device to them for repair, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. Probably you're gonna have to replace your battery. Maybe your battery is simply worn out, and that is the reason why your device isn't turning on. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.